The next stroke we're going to work on is called the C stroke. It's actually a combination of the draw, which we just worked on, and our forward stroke that we worked on a couple lessons ago. Alright, so I'm just going to give you a quick demo of the C stroke. You'll notice it's actually turning the boat. Come back in a little closer and teach you 3 steps to learn the C stroke. I can actually continue doing it right here. If you watch. Perfect. Now 3 steps about the C stroke. One is that as I begin the stroke, I'm actually pulling out away from the canoe until I meet my hip. So out until I meet about my hip right here in this motion. Second one is I'm actually finishing the stroke behind me. A lot of the other strokes you've been working on have been finishing at our hip. This one, number 1, out to my hip, and number 2, finish the stroke behind me. And number 3 for this stroke is that we're always looking where we're going. This is a steering stroke. We would be using this as we are moving forward. So it's never good to just stare at your paddle as you're going somewhere. You definitely want to make sure you're looking where you're going. So 1, out ahead of you to your hip, stroking outwards. 2, finish the stroke behind you. And 3, always looking where you're going. What I want you and your partner to do is actually, if we look right there, there are some buoys set up. I want you to paddle in a circle around those buoys and then come back and meet me.